Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Garmin Index S2, a smart scale that promises to do more than just measure your weight. We'll explore its design, features, app integration, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Let's start with the design. The Garmin Index S2 has a sleek and premium look with a wide tempered glass surface. It's minimalistic and blends well in any bathroom setting. However, maintaining its pristine look can be a bit of a hassle due to the glass surface that tends to show every speck of dust and toe print. Now, onto what it measures. This smart scale goes beyond just weight. It measures BMI, body fat percentage, skeletal muscle mass, bone mass, and body water percentage using bioelectrical impedance analysis. This technology sends a weak electric current through your body to gather these metrics. Setting up the Garmin Index S2 is straightforward. You'll need to insert 4 AAA batteries and download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. The scale uses Bluetooth to pair with your device and Wi-Fi to sync your data. Once set up, it automatically detects users and displays their initials based on weight and usage frequency. Here's where things get a bit tricky. The Garmin Connect app, while essential for syncing data and accessing more detailed metrics, falls short in providing insightful explanations about your body metrics. It also lacks seamless integration with third-party apps, limiting its versatility compared to other smart scales in the market. If you're already invested in the Garmin ecosystem with other devices like their fitness trackers, the Index S2 fits well into that ecosystem. However, if you're looking for a smart scale that offers more detailed insights through its app or better integration with other fitness apps, you might want to explore other options like the Withings Body Plus or Eufy Smart Scale P1. In conclusion, the Garmin Index S2 is a solid choice. If you prioritize comprehensive body metrics and seamless integration with Garmin devices, its sleek design and Wi-Fi connectivity are definite pluses. But its high price point and limited app features might not justify the investment for everyone. That wraps up our review of the Garmin Index S2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.